So I picked up some pallet wood the other day. Today we're taking it apart. It can be pretty difficult, but I've developed my own little system over the years, and I think it works pretty good. So I thought I'd share that with you. So what kind of pallet wood do I like to pick up? My wife helping me find some pallet wood. Say hi. Hi. This is a pretty good one here. It's nice and dry. The boards are all straight, and the other important thing, no cupping. Sometimes you'll pick these up and they're all kind of curved. Not good. I don't normally have 2x4 stuck to them, but these are just screwed on. They should be pretty easy to take off. And I don't know if you noticed these cool patterns on here. I really like that stuff. I try to preserve that and make some really cool stuff with it. One more thing, these are a full inch thick. These aren't super easy to find. Usually you get some 3/4 inch thick ones. But if you do find these, definitely scoop them up. Oops. So these are the main tools I'm using. A jigsaw, a few hammers, crowbars, and sometimes a pipe clamp comes in handy. Now the jigsaw, I'm going to use that to cut along here. I used to try to keep these ends here, but it was just too much of a pain to get those nails out without cracking the boards. Most of them aren't cracked, but I guarantee I would probably crack them trying to pull these out. Getting rid of a couple inches there. I know it kind of sucks. You get shorter wood, but it's just not worth it. So you guys can probably see what I'm getting at now. All I need to do is pull these boards off, and I'm going to have a lot of leverage just by being able to tilt them back and forth. And that's where that clamp will come in handy if I need it. Those two ends are already taken off, and I'll be able to just knock those off with a hammer, maybe an axe. Oh, and another thing I should mention, if you are looking for pallets, one thing to avoid, too much of this stuff. I hardly got any of that on this one, so that's good. So basically my goal is to wiggle the board back and forth, just enough to loosen it up, get the crowbar under there, lift it up just a little bit without breaking it, then tapping it back down, and then I've got just enough room to get my hammer under there. Get that nail out without breaking the board. So yeah, it is time consuming. That's why I save time by cutting it up there. But yeah, I'll just continue here. That's what I'm doing, and we'll see how many boards we can save. Now this is where the clamp sometimes comes in handy. I might be able to use this as leverage and just pull that right off. Best case scenario. Alright, now you gotta remove all these nails. Not too bad though if you know what you're doing. There's not always enough leverage with the hammer. So what I like to do, either get a scrap piece of wood or your crowbar, stick it right there, get your hammer over here. Boom. Done. One hand. Someone dropped by to say hi. Now for this part, it's hammer time. Just go to town on it with your hammer. And we're not done yet. Now we got to get all these nails out. And I've got another tip for you guys. You just got to rig your hammer up to look like this. Little block of wood taped on there. That'll give you lots of leverage without having to fumble around too much. Alright guys, let's check out the haul here. Got a bunch of really good 1x4s, 3 1x6s, 3 2x4s. One of them's a little chunky on the sides, but that's okay. A couple smaller 2x4s. Pretty good haul for one pallet. Little bit of junk wood there. Little tip, if you don't know what to do with that stuff, post it on Marketplace, give it away for firewood. I always have people picking up this stuff. Anyways, there you go, how I take my pallets apart. Hope that helps. They're looking pretty darn good. No complaints here. Solid pallet.